Other ways to make money quickly so you can make money online fast. But, if you're willing to work outside of your home, there are many more options for side gigs. If you want to avoid getting a traditional job altogether, you may want to pick up multiple side gigs to help you make enough income. 11. Become a ride-share driver, average income of around $350 per month. Driving for Uber or Lyft is among the most popular side hustles because of the flexibility this option offers. You can pick your schedule, drive when and where you want, and rent or lease a car through the ride-share company if needed. 12. Make deliveries for Amazon or Uber Eats, typical earnings of $18 minus $25 per hour with Amazon Flex. Uber Eats drivers make an annual average of $62,339 a year, according to salaries reported on Indeed. Even with an average salary that's this high, you'll still be working on a contract basis. That means you can set your own hours and work as much as you need to. You can also use your car to work as a delivery driver for Amazon Flex. Drivers typically make $18 to $25 per hour, depending on factors such as your location and how much you earn in tips, according to Amazon. 13. Become a pet sitter or dog walker, median income of $12.68 per hour. Sign up to watch pets while their owners are out of town. Pet sitting sites, such as Rover, connect pet owners with sitters for a cut, 15% to 25%, of the sitter's earnings paid by client users. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, pet sitters make a median of $13.81 an hour or $28,730 a year. 14. Get a babysitting gig, $13.50 an hour and up, depending on experience, location and number of children. Babysitters are always in demand. According to ZipRecruiter, they make an average hourly pay of $16.25 or more. Plus, watching two kids can come with an increase. According to Care.com, add 50 cents to $1 to your hourly rate for each additional child you babysit, double that for an infant. 15. Install Christmas lights for the holidays. Thanks.